In this video, I will show you how to display a product list anywhere on the page. Go to Elements, select Grid. Then go to the grid, click Add Item. Now go to the Advanced tab. In Dynamic Content, select Product List View from Group DJ-Catalog2. Go to the Content tab. For Title, select Product Name. For Meta, you choose Intro Description. For Content, choose Cart. For an image, select a large image. Let's add a link to the product. Product link. Click Save Layout. In the Advanced tab, we have different options related to displaying products on the list. You can specify the maximum number of products that will be displayed. You can display products only from a certain category. You can limit products by ID. Or limit products by manufacturer. You can set the order in which the products are displayed, for example by name. Descending. You can display featured products. Or recently viewed products. The options Only Related Products and Only Children Products work only on the product card. You can specify display conditions for dynamic content, so-called dynamic conditions. For example, name includes Samsung. At the end, click Save Layout.